Hello and welcome back to Huffler Garage. So today we're taking our E34 out for a little cruise. You know, on a nice sunny day, sometimes you just want to take her through a field. We hope you enjoy. Because it never hurts to have a footage.
Rolling.
Try to be quiet. Riding her through the field, we got her a little warm. She didn't quite hit the red line on the heat gauge, but we had a little bit of smoke from the oil that's dropped down onto the exhaust over time. But she still runs like a champ, and hey, it's always fun here at Huffler Garage. Please like and subscribe and follow us for more.